Hey guys, so I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look, and I'm also going to be trying out different makeup items. So if you guys want to learn how to do this makeup look, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, so I'm just going to try different products today, so let's just get started. So first I'm going to be using my Unicorn Essence by Versailles. I said that very weird. Versailles. Alright. Alright, and then the foundation I'm using is by Fenty Beauty, and I'm the shade 130, but I'm usually a NC15 from MAC, so if you're an NC15 from MAC, you should try this shade, because it fit me perfectly. I mean, so many people use it, but it's new to me, so I haven't tried it at all. Like, I've been waiting to make this video to try it. Look how pretty it is. Let's do burnt orange first. This color. They have a lot of fallout. Next, I'm gonna be using my Morphe M506 brush and using red ochre. I'm gonna go in with Real Gar and just keep blending those colors. To apply some glitter, since I have hooded eyes, I'm gonna have to use the glitter primer. I usually use the MAC mixing medium, but I want to try this one out. But I really like this one. I'm gonna apply it with my finger and just put it on the middle. And then we're gonna darken up the crease with the red ochre and cypress umber. Alright, so for eyeliner, I'm going to be using the Tattoo Liner by Kat Von D. And the lashes I'm going to use are my new babies. These are in Doll Me Up, and I just got them from my new job. how pretty they are, you guys. Oh shit. Like, look at these. Oh my god, I can't wait to use them. So I'm gonna put these on off camera just because I feel like it's gonna be way too long. So I just put my lashes on. Next, I'm gonna be trying the Cover FX in Moonlight, the highlighting drops. And I've been wanting this so much. I was gonna get it at Sephora, and then I never ended up getting it because I was too broke. And the place that I work at now had it, and I got a really good discount, so I had to get it. Oh shit. Let me use a blush. So I think it's a little bit too dark for my skin tone. Alright, so I'm going to be applying my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm going to set it with my Ben Nye banana powder. And this one isn't fair because it doesn't leave a white cast, I guess. I'm just going to look up. Start off with the burnt orange. Using Real Gar and red ochre to darken it up. Using burnt orange and Real Gar to blend everything out. My NC10 Studio Fix powder, and then just set my whole face. My Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer in medium deep. Got it in Metal Moon, and look how cute the packaging is. Doesn't do that. See, it doesn't really show up. And I like a blinding highlight, you know? So I guess I'm gonna have to put something under it and then put that one on top. Because, I mean, you really can't see it. Which kind of sucks because it was $34. I would expect it to be like super like out there, you know? So I'm gonna use my Double Gleam by MAC. And let's just pop that on top. See, it kind of makes it look way more vibrant. Look. There's the Fenty by itself and then with the Double Gleam. Okay, I'm gonna add more because it kind of looks like a powder now, like you really can't see any sparkle. It's like you have to really layer it on. So I'm putting the Fenty Beauty on top of it again. Just to have it on there. Using the Summer Snow Cone. And put that on top as well. So I can give it like a little gold touch to it. I'm gonna spray the Mario Badescu spray on top. On top. I decided what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in Leo. And I'm gonna put the Saint Tropez on top from Joy. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will probably make an intro because my hair is all fucked up. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.